You know that awful feeling after a meeting where you think you took notes only to open them later and realize none of it actually made sense? And what if you could focus on the conversation and still walk away with organized, actionable notes automatically? Today, we're going to break down Granola AI, an AI notepad that transcribes your meetings, enhances your notes, and gives you polished summaries and action items without awkward bots joining your calls. It's like getting rid of your note-taking anxiety forever. Granola calls itself an AI notepad for meetings. And that's not just marketing for this AI. The difference shows up in how it's meant to be used. Most AI note-takers just transcribe everything and hand you a wall of text. While Granola works alongside you instead, you take notes the way you normally would. It transcribes quietly in the background, and after the meeting, it uses that context to clean everything up. And instead of sending a bot into your Zoom or Teams calls, Granola runs directly on your device. It captures your system audio, which means it works with basically any meeting platform you're already using, without anyone else joining the call. Once the meeting ends, that's where it really earns its keep. Granola turns everything into a shareable summary with clear highlights, decisions, and action items. And later, you can actually chat with your notes to pull out specific details without rereading the whole transcript. First, you'll want to get Granola installed. It runs on macOS, Windows, and iPhone. Once that's set up, your meetings start appearing inside Granola, and you can jump into note-taking without scrambling or missing anything. When you start a meeting note, Granola begins transcribing your device's audio. That means it is using your microphone and the system audio from whatever call you're on. At the bottom, you'll see these green bars moving. That's Granola actively listening and converting speech into text in real time. One important thing to know, Granola isn't secretly recording anything. It doesn't save raw audio or video. It only turns speech into text. And this is the part that sets it apart from other AI tools. Transcription only starts when you tap Start Notes on desktop or iPhone. If you do not hit that button, nothing gets captured. It won't auto-record meetings unless you explicitly tell it to. On iPhone, you can even start transcription straight from the lock screen with a single tap. That makes it useful for phone calls or even in-person conversations. So, this AI is not just scheduling Zoom meetings. This is the part that actually makes Granola different. While it's transcribing in the background, you're still free to type your own notes, decisions, reactions, or anything you know you'll want to remember later. Usually, you can add a simple structure as shown on the screen. Headers like agenda, or quick bullets like deadline next Tuesday. Granola uses whatever structure you give it as a signal when it builds the final enhanced notes. You can leave the page blank and just let it transcribe, and Granola will still generate a summary. But in my experience, even a few short notes dramatically improve the quality of what you get afterward. And if visuals come up during the call, you can drag images straight into the note. This feature is especially useful for design reviews, planning sessions, or presentations where context matters. Once the meeting ends, or when you hit stop, Granola switches gears. It takes whatever you typed, combines it with the transcript, and then enhances everything into something structured and usable. You'll get a clean meeting summary that actually captures what happened, not just what was said. Below that, Granola pulls out action items on their own, so tasks do not get buried inside paragraphs. You'll also see clear decisions that were made, plus the full transcript if you ever need to search for exact wording later. And if you're looking for something specific, there's a chat view where you can ask questions like, "What were my to-dos?" or "Who agreed to take ownership of this?" and get answers instantly. That's the real winning perspective of Granola AI. Instead of a raw transcript you never revisit, you end up with notes you can actually share, act on, and trust. This is where you stop trying Granola and start actually relying on it. First, start your note before the meeting begins. I'll usually drop in an agenda or a few bullet points ahead of time. That gives Granola structure to work with when it enhances your notes later. Secondly, if you're in recurring meetings, weekly check-ins, stand-ups, and client calls, templates are a huge win. Set the format once, and every meeting follows the same structure automatically. Third one, after the meeting, use chat instead of rereading everything. You can ask things like, summarize action items only, or draft a follow-up email, and Granola pulls exactly what you need from the transcript and your notes. And lastly, it keeps things organized. Creating folders for related meetings, projects, clients, or internal reviews makes it much easier to search across everything later when you're trying to remember what was decided. Granola also has a feature called Recipes. These let you create custom prompts that run across meetings. For example, automatically generating outreach drafts or summaries based on recurring discussion points. And before we wrap up, there are a couple of limitations you should be aware of. The first thing is, Granola doesn't capture video or store raw audio files. It only produces text, so there's no way to replay the original call later. When you stop trying to capture every detail yourself and let Granola handle the heavy lifting, meetings become noticeably less stressful. You listen more closely, you contribute more thoughtfully, and you still walk away with clear, organized notes and actionable to-dos. That's not just a small convenience. For anyone living in back-to-back meetings, that's real cognitive relief. If this walkthrough was helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe to AI Chief if you want more deep practical AI tutorials like this. And drop a comment. What's the hardest part of meeting notes you want solved next? Try Granola AI a few meetings this week and let us know which feature surprised you the most.